Hello ladies, today I'll show you how to make pizza by using homemade vegetables, homemade base and everything that we don't have to look after in the market for making pizza. Okay, it's a very simple and easy process. In my video, I have already explained how to make a pizza base and a pizza dough. Okay. This is my pizza base which I have already made it in my home. Okay. What we have to do here, I have prepared ingredients what we gonna use for making pizza by using vegetables. Here I keep a vegetables mix. Okay. Here it's potato, tomato, beans and onion, garlic, everything is in, okay, salt. By this we make a kind of mixed vegetable. Okay, keep it aside. We'll use refined oil. Here we'll use coriander. Here we'll use cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese. Basically we use the mozzarella cheese for making pizza. But if you not get a mozzarella cheese in a market, take a Amul cheese. Here I am having a ketchup that I am gonna use for base. I mean for spreading, and without using toppings, I'll use this Maggi Pichku. Now, first of all, I'll tell you how to spread this base on microwave plate. Spread it all over, okay, like this. Spread it all over, and spread this coriander leaves on the pizza base. It will enhance the taste. Spread it. Okay. Now what I gonna use? I'll keep this base inside the microwave. I'll put it here. Switch on the microwave. Power will be 100 and select the micro mode. Keep it for 2 minutes. It will bake your pizza base. First we need to bake this pizza base because it's a raw and we cannot eat it at a raw. After baking the base, we will use all the ingredients. Okay. Or you can bake it at least for 1 minute also, but I usually bake it for 2 minutes. Now here we can see the base is kind of become fluffy, and I'll show you once I'll take it out. Now switch off take out the base very carefully. Here you can see, here the base is become fluffy here, and it's cooked properly. Now what I will do, I'll take this ketchup. Okay, I'll take this ketchup and I'm gonna use this ketchup as a toppings. Okay, use it. Spread this ketchup all over on the base. It will taste the same, the toppings you buy from the market. But if you don't find out any kind of toppings outside the market, you can use this. Yeah. Okay. Now, what we have to do, we have to spread this vegetables all over. Here you can see every vegetables are here. You can use mozzarella also. Now grate this cheese by using this grating machine. Grate this cheese all over on the pizza. This pizza is a kind of pizza. If you want to eat pizza and you don't have any kind of ingredients in your home and you have to eat pizza and somebody asked to make a pizza, so you can make this pizza. It's very quick and easy process. Fine. Now, if you want, you can decorate your pizza also. It will look good. So spread it all over. Okay, fine. Now, what we have to do, we have to keep this pizza base inside the microwave. Keep it for 10 to 8 minutes. Okay. So it will be on the same mode. Power will be 100 and the micro mode. I'll keep it at 8 minutes. From this you can see the cheese which I have applied on this base. It's melting inside. I'll tell you why I am making this pizza, because like see, every time we don't have all the ingredients at our home, okay, and if that is very good and enough to make a pizza by using the same ingredients, by toppings and the olives and everything that we use for making a pizza, paneer, or you can say a chicken based pizza, you can use the chicken pieces. But yeah, if you don't have and have to eat the pizza, somebody asks you want to have pizza, so what you will do? If you have a kind of a small party in your home and somebody asks to make a pizza party, so these all are the things that will be more helpful to make the pizza. we generally use the convection mode for making pizza, but I use preferably micro mode for making pizza. Okay, convection is also good, but in micro mode, what is happen? The thing is, everything will be cooked very properly from the top, from the bottom, and everywhere. If you want, you can check in between also how your pizza is going. So I'll just check it. I'll stop it and open it. Here you can see it's the base is fluff. It's a kind of pizza that we use in our home. I mean outside. So again, we'll shut down and start. Three minutes more left. Okay, if you want, you can check also. If you want, you can check the base. The base is not been, the base is not hard enough and everything. So keep a knife. Stop. And okay. Switch off. Okay, here the base is cooked properly. So again what we have to do, we have to now change the mode if you want to, but I'll preferably use micro mode. So keep it for 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes was left. So again I've kept it on 2 minutes. One minute is gonna over. So okay, stop it here, switch off, take this pizza out. Wow, it's properly cooked. You can check from your knife, it's not cutting. The bread pieces are pluffed. Okay, now here make it of pieces. Make it a pieces as more as you want. Now the pizza is ready. Now my pizza is ready. Thanks for watching my video.